talking about an infringement, what exactly is there? Now, when we are talking about the infringement, the important thing is that the definition of design infringement, it is differs in each jurisdiction. So, there are the differences. So, that typically encompasses unauthorized. Obviously, when infringement is there, it is unauthorized. It is like not a legally that any individual or any entity, if not having in legal possession of that particular design, that is an unauthorized usage. So, what happens that purported usage, making the design as it is, right. Some jewelry is there, you probably see many times, or even some advertisements also in the social media, that yes, this design came, we have made this design. So, sometimes it is there, they are like doing the infringement also. So, making of that design, then the importation of that design, which is protected in India. So, if that is design registration is done in India, and if somebody is importing it, yes, it is an infringement, and sale of that that particular specific design which is registered. So, obviously, when we say that making, using, sale, that importation, patent also, we use these actually words, right. So, here also unauthorized usage obviously will attract a legal action.